The Amsterdam Light Festival is nothing short of spectacular, transforming the dark winter nights into a creative innovation. In this video, we will whisk you away on a fantastic voyage down the streets and canals of Amsterdam, showing amazing lightworks. Every year, from late November to mid-January, Amsterdam blossoms into an illuminated wonderland with its light festival. The city's historic buildings, bridges and canals are decorated with amazing light installations made by international artists. It's a feast for the eyes and a perfect way to see Amsterdam in a new way. Did you know that many installations invite you to become part of the art, making it an interactive experience? Whether it's walking through a tunnel of light or posing for photos that blend you into the display, it's fun for all ages and perfect for creating unforgettable memories. Hop on the all-inclusive canal cruise to explore the installations from a unique perspective. After soaking in all the lights, why not warm up in one of Amsterdam's many cozy cafes? Enjoy a hot chocolate, along with some Dutch treats such as stroopwafels and oliebollen. Ready to immerse yourself in a winter wonderland like no other? Plan your trip to the Amsterdam Light Festival now. Don't miss out on this unforgettable adventure. See you there.